This is a MegaMinx, and we're going to mix those up and solve this today. It has 12 colours, so a little bit different to the Rubik's Cubes or the Magic Cubes, which have 6 colours. Okay, that looks pretty jumbled up. The way I like to solve is starting with white. So there's these pieces here that are, well, I call them centerpieces. So in this white centerpiece, we want to make a white star around it. So there's this little edge piece here, this white and green piece. I'm going to turn the other centerpieces around until the green matches with the green, and we want to do that for each of these other pieces as well. So here's the white and purple one. I'm going to move that around until it matches up with purple, and then spin it around. Now I have white and green, and I have white with purple. There's white and red. Let's just move it around till it's near the red, like so. And now I can turn that up. So I have white and red. Okay, here's white and yellow. It's already matched up. So all I have to do is turn it around, and white and yellow is done. I'm just missing this blue and white piece, so we'll go and find that. There it is. Oh, look at that, it's already matched up with the center blue. So turn it around. So now I have my white star, and all the star pieces match up with these center pieces. So I'm going to complete this layer, finding these corner pieces that have got white. Okay, it's white, blue, yellow. Alright, so white, blue, yellow, it's got to go in here. it out of the way and then put this piece back. Alright, now I can put it in. And each of these lower corners is done. Next move is to put these next level of corners in, and that's probably a bit easier than what we just did. So I'm looking at the top here for pieces that don't have grey, because the grey corners, anything with grey like that one there, that's going to stay on top, but the ones that don't have grey we move down. Right. Red, pink and cream, it's above where it has to go, and it has pink on, so if I move it out of the way, I've put it in position. You can see now it completes the pentagon shape. Okay, here's one without grey, blue, orange, purple, move around. Blue, orange, purple goes here. Now what you want is to have either the blue or the orange, one of these colours here on top, not this lower colour purple. I've got purple, so I'm just going to put anything in there for now. Now let's change the orientation. Now you can see I've got blue on top instead of purple, which is great. Orange is on the right, so if I do that, now I've completed purple. Right, here's cream, blue and green. It's above where it needs to go. I have this colour blue on top, which is good. I need one of these two colours here to be on top, not the lower one. That means I can now put it straight in. I'll move that out of the way, drop it in. Green is complete, red is complete, purple is complete. So two to go. Alright, here's a corner that doesn't have grey. Green, yellow, orange. We will see, you've got orange on top, which is good. It's one of these top two colours here. And I have got green on the right. So I'll move it out of the way. In it goes. Done. Right, my final piece here. It's got the correct piece in it. Blue, green, pink, but it's not orientated correctly, so I just need to put anything else in there that gets that piece out. Unfortunately it put blue on top, which I don't want, so I'm going to put another piece in there. Try again. This time I have green on top, which is great. Pink's on the right, and complete. So if I turn it around, you can see all these pentagons are complete. We're nearly done. If I rotate this top layer for a second, you can see I'm nearly done. Everything except the top layer. I just have to fix up these little edge pieces here. So that's the next step. We look at the top, looking for little star pieces that are not grey. So here's one here. It's got blue and cream. So I'll turn it over to the group between cream and blue, and the move is move it away. Put it back in like so, and now I'm going to move towards this solid colour green here. Drop the corner and the piece back in, and now there it is, in place. Alright, up on top I can see it's orange and blue. Let's turn it around. Orange and blue. I move away from the blue. Oh, I'm dropping it next to the corner piece. Now I'm going to move towards that purple. And the orange and blue is sitting in there. Okay, on top I can see green and pink. I'll place it where it needs to go. Now move away from the pink. Move towards the blue. Sorry, got a bit mixed up there. Right, and the final one I think is already in the correct position. Move towards the red. And now if I just rotate that top piece a little bit, you can see everything below the top layer is now done. We're awfully close. Right. At this point you need to learn some algorithms. Firstly, we need to have all these star pieces being grey. We've only got one. So if you hold the MegaMinx like this so that you have a solved piece up here and an unsolved piece up here, and then you do this move. I'll put that on the screen for you. That's made some more grey. Once again, I like to have a solved one up still looks like it's messed up down